Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assemble the CO2 rocket just like the one seen here. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's come on over here to our show data panel, and then we're going to go ahead and start a new design. And whenever you start assembly, you always want to save it first. So let's go ahead and save it, and we'll call it Rocket Assembly. Okay. Go ahead and select save. Alright, so now let's go ahead and right click here under Rocket Body Left Video. Okay, we're going to insert that into the current design. And I like that position. I'm just going to select OK. Now let's do the same thing for the right side. Insert into current design. Alright, and I'm going to just kind of slide it over a little bit more and hit OK. It looks like a good position to me. Alright, now let's go ahead and assemble them. So we're going to use a rigid constraint here, and I know that this point right here corresponds with that point right there, so I'm just going to do that to that. Okay, looks good. Hit OK. Alright, now let's go ahead and insert our nose cone into our assembly. And as I always say, we want to move it into position here so it looks like it's going to slide right on. So I'm going to rotate it around to something like that. All right. And that looks pretty good. Maybe we can do a little better. Okay, I'm going to select OK. Same thing, let's come on up to Assemble and select a rigid joint, and we're going to we know the center of that corresponds with the center of that. Okay, go ahead and select OK, and we're looking good. Now let's just throw our fin base on there, and we're done. So let me move this guy down. Select OK, and basically repeat the same process we did last time. Okay, so this circle right here, corresponds with that guy right there. Select OK. Okay, and there's our rocket, all assembled and ready to launch. Make sure you save it when you're done. Alright, that'll do it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll learn how to animate it and create an exploded view. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.